Backing up your MetaMask wallet is a crucial step in securing your cryptocurrency assets. MetaMask is a popular digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive Ethereum and other Ethereum-based tokens. To back up your MetaMask wallet, you will need to save your seed phrase, also known as your recovery phrase. First, open your MetaMask wallet and click on the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Account Details. Scroll down to the Backup section and click on Reveal Seed Phrase. You will be prompted to enter your password to confirm. Once you have accessed your seed phrase, write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a secure location. Do not take a screenshot or save it on your computer, as this can be vulnerable to hacking. Your seed phrase is a list of 12 words that will allow you to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. It is essential to keep your seed phrase confidential and secure, as anyone with access to it can access your wallet and steal your funds. Do not share your seed phrase with anyone, and make sure to store it in a location where it will not be lost or damaged. In addition to backing up your seed phrase, it is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication on your MetaMask wallet. This will add an extra layer of security to your account and make it more difficult for hackers to gain access. By following these steps, you can ensure that your MetaMask wallet is backed up and secure. Remember to always keep your seed phrase confidential and store it in a safe place. If you have any issues or concerns, you can refer to the MetaMask support documentation for further guidance.